guys what's happening. Look at this gem. I figured I'd just do a little sneak peek here. I just kind of sat the fender on the rad support here. There's nothing's lined up there. The gap's big on the fender and stuff, but just to give me an idea and get me a little bit excited. Kind of sat it down at the ride height where I think it might be. It might be a little bit lower, but probably pretty close to there. I'm only doing a 3/4 drop because I don't want to modify shit, fender wells and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. What do you guys think? You like the orange? Big controversy. But now the engine's starting to pop, and can't wait to get like really put stuff in here and get the fender wells in and all that kind of stuff. It just kind of gives the guy an idea. You got to stay excited about your project sometimes. You got to stop and just admire it. But there it is, and then Chelsea's getting ready to paint my lower control arms over there, see? I don't want to bug her, she's pretty mean. And then she did the rad support there yesterday, so that's all done. But that's it. Just figured I'd give you guys a bit of a look-see. All right then. Talk to you guys later. Is that how you do it? What's the holdup?
You're stressing me out.
Uh-huh. I'm trying to learn.
Oh, shut up.
Don't forget and try and get inside there. A little bit. Otherwise it's gonna rust.
I know.
Alright, we'll come back when we put the top coat. This is the sealer coat. She usually gets about 16 runs.
Oh my God,
Alright then. Alright, she's finally putting the top coat on after like 8.5 hours. We're putting on some urethane from Cloverdale. It's called Armor Shield, if anybody's interested. It's good stuff. Durable. How come there's so many orange peel?
how come you're bothering me?
Why are you in my way here? Is that how you do it? Who taught you that?
You. That's good.
Why do you keep going around in a circle?
Well,
I'm getting dizzy. Yeah, I had my buddy Mike put the bushings and shafts in. And then he machined it down nice. It looks really good. Ah! All right, I'm gonna end this because I'm getting oversprayed. All right, we'll see you guys in another 8 hours. All right, Chelsea said she's done. Let's go see how many runs we got. How's it look? Lots of rust pits. But I think it looks pretty good. Too bad everything wasn't smooth like these shafts here. Yeah, I think it looks good. That'll pass. No runs? Let's have a look here. Well, I don't see any runs. All right, looks like she did pretty good. I don't see any runs. All right, so that's what those look like. They look kind of bad here with all the rust, but that's the way it goes. All right, another thing done. We'll get these things put on tomorrow. All right, talk to you guys later.